Yes, dear friends of class 9, welcome. So, I hope just you are all well there and you are taking care of your study, because all the teachers are taking classes and it is going to you. So, today just I will go through the chapter, the electoral politics. Electoral politics. So, politics is there everywhere. So, we will talk regarding, because this is the political science, we are going through this, the political science, social science, political science and the civics. So, we are related with the matter, with the politics and political issues and benefits of the people of the area. So, first issue, first of this this electoral politics, it is coming the election. Why elections? I am speaking all the time. In our country, all the times, different type of elections are taking place some part of the country. For some items, suppose today is the general election, which is after 5 years taking place there. After that, you will see there is the election of this Panchayati Raj system. Somewhere you will see the election of this state. Somewhere you will see the election of these corporations are there. You will see sometimes the election of these greater corporations are there. So, I mean to say, the whole year these elections are taking place somewhere there throughout the country. So, why this election? See, students, we are living here in the democratic form of government. We have the system here. Our leaders are being elected by the people of the country. Our leaders are elected by the people of the country. Where from just will bring the leader? Right now, our leaders, our Prime Minister, our Chief Minister is there. We are coming to know, we know. But how he or she is coming there? How our Prime Minister is coming there? How he came there? Why just I cannot go? Why you cannot go? So, each and everyone has the eligibility. Why these elections? So, I want to explain this one. So, simple, the Haryana election in almost there was the election. So, this Devi Lal, I will put the examples many more. So, this Devi Lal, he contested the election. There was earlier than this, there was the election, and this Congress was there in Haryana. But this they have only alone this Lok Dal, when the election took place there, this Lok Dal alone just brought this 76 plus 2-3 parties were there. Devi Lal, Lok Dal simply got the 60%, 60 votes. 60 members just he got in this election. And earlier then why these elections are taking place? You know that when the elections are coming here in the country or anywhere there in your state, in your panchayat, this is costly. This take much more time. Wastage is also there. Money is also invested there. You are also very much busy there. Then we should leave this one without any election. Then how you will run the government? How you will administer the state and your country? So, there is the system of election. And these elections, if you are selected or elected one prime minister today and keep him or her for 25 years, then you will not be able to do what is right, what is wrong, what he or she will like, she will do, they will do. But this is not the system. There is the system, this each and every after 5 years, each and every after 5 years, there is the election. Elections are also various types, you know, from the very beginning. So, this general election I am talking about, these elections are taking place after 5 years of either of the state. General elections are, I mean talking about of this whole in country, India, and the state-wise also there, that is also after 5 years. So, this type of things are there. If just we don't want the election, we don't want the election, we don't go for this election, what will happen? There will be the autocracy. If you will be the Prime Minister or you will be the Chief Minister for 5, 10 years, 15 years, nobody can challenge, nobody will say you anything. What you will do? You may be dictator, you may not pay attention towards what is right, what is wrong. You will not be able to think for that. But if the Janata is requiring you, if the voters like you, then what will happen? You will be there. Why? Because you are doing the jobs in a better way. So, when just you will be doing the jobs in a better way, the voters will cast for you. Voters will cast for you. So, the election is needed because we change or we may not change. We can, if you are doing better, if you are doing better for the country, better for us, better for the people, the Janta automatically will cast for you in the next time, after 5 years. But election will take place. You cannot stop the election. No, I am doing better, so let me run for 10, 15 years. You cannot say like that, because there are also the opposition. There are also the opposition. You are the ruling, so you are for 5 years or 10 years. But when the opposition will not be agreed to continue, then this 5 years there will be the election. You may stay there, may not stay there on the chair. So, when there is the democratic form of government, because in our country there is the system of democracy, and when there is the democracy, there is the system, each and every after 5 years, there will be the election. If the election will not take place, then what will happen? We may be the autocrats. Oh, just all are just liking me, or if do not or does not like, but I may be, I can be. This cannot be. So, system is there. Each and every after 5 years supposed to either stay or Janata will just remove you. If you are doing better, maybe they will give you the extension. If not, you will be removed from the chair. Take the example of Prime Minister of this time. Earlier he was also, first Prime Minister came, second times he again just we have given the vote for him, and again he became the Prime Minister there. But not only you. Wow, how this is the system? What is the system? How he became? So, this is called a majority, 2/3 majority. When any party will get majority by how much? By 2/3. If any party brings the majority by 2/3, that party will rule. That party will make the Prime Minister, that party will choose the leader, and that leader will be the Prime Minister. Okay, now what makes an election democratic? Democratic means what? For the Janata, for the people, of the people, and by the people. So, always we should keep this one in mind. When Janata has just taken you there to the chair, you are supposed to do the job. If you are not doing, we are not doing, then what will be there? There will be the election, and the Janata will not cast the vote for you, and you will be removed. So, what makes an election democratic? The election means now there is the system. This election, how election is democratic? What makes an election democratic? You know, voting system voting. Who are casting vote for the representatives? We are electing our representatives by casting the vote. Who those are? Those have attained the age of 18 years. Just election commission is giving the permission to that particular just voters or voter. They will make the identity card for you, voting ID card, voting card, and just you will be eligible to cast the vote. So, what makes an election democratic? Election means democratic, how just it is, we can call the democratic, because you are, as I told you, if just you have been elected once, you will be forever. That is not. What is there? Each and every after 5 years, I told you, there will be the election. You may stay there or may not stay there. This makes the election democratic. Who those are removing you? Who those are the voters of the country? Who those are the voters? And who those are the voters? Who has achieved the age of 18 years? Who those have achieved the age of 18 years? And when you have the ID permission by this election commission, you will cast the vote. So, this makes an election democratic. Is it good? Have a political competition? Yes. Political competition is good. Sometimes you will say no. So, you may or question may come. So, this political competition is better or not? What are the drawbacks? What are the demerits? What are the demerits? What are the merits of this democratic form of government? So, is it good have a political competition? Yes. Naturally, yes, we can say competition is very essential. Competition, when you are the students, you are also facing the competition. You are supposed to join any school, join to any college, there is the competition. You are sitting there in the competition, and you are being just elected for that particular college and schools. Not elected, selected for that. So, this is competition is, if not competition, we will not do the competition. If the, and what is the this sign of this competition? The sign of the competition is the election. Sign of the competition is election in the democracy. So, there we are facing this competition. There are one just constituency. I have written somewhere. So, this constituency is there. As I perhaps told you earlier, this time also I am telling, there are 543 MPs there in the country. How many? 543 MPs plus 2. What is these 2? These 2 are nominated by the Honorable President of India. But the 543 constituencies there are, and each and every constituency there is one MP. From each and every constituency, MP is or MPs are being elected. So this competition is, suppose for 5 years just you made any MP, you elected any MP. Why just we are electing our MPs? We have in our mind, if I am electing this MP will work in a better way there to the center, they will make the rules, better rules for the development of the people of the country. They will take care of the Janata, they will take care the people, administration, better administration of that particular area. They will develop the area, they will help the area for better education, hospitals, markets, many more. So we have, and if just we are not electing, there is no, suppose just we are electing the MP and they are forever there, forever we are leaving them. Okay, you stay for 15 years or 20 years. So if just we are doing, then the competition will not be there. But if just we are changing, if you are not doing properly, if you are not taking care for the people of the area, then what will happen? People will remove you from next election. In the next election, people will remove you from that post of this MP. They will not cast the vote for you in the next time. So this competition is very essential. And if there will be no fear of that MP, that if I am not doing in a better way, the people of the area will not cast for me. And if the people will not cast for you, automatically you will not be the MP. So you will be also the sufferer. Likewise, this competition is essential. If we are not doing this competition, then he will be or she will be the dictator. What is our system of elections? So I told you this electoral constituency. Why this is? Because our country is so big. That's why this division has been done, or 543, this part of the country has been done for the purpose of this better or smooth election. So system of elections are there. What is the system? These electoral constituencies are there. In one constituency, maybe 5 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs people, voters there. So this is the essential, this electoral constituencies. Now, this when just we are talking the constituencies, electoral constituencies, there is or are the reserved constituencies. Earlier there were 79, but now it has become 84. 84 MPs, 84 seats now have become this reserve there in the Lok Sabha. Okay, you will go through that just in your book. So earlier this was 79 and now this is 84. Why these reserve constituencies are there? This is reserve constituencies are there. You are aware about also that reservation policy, Mandal Commission, you are aware about that. So Mandal Commission, there is the reservation for the ST, SC and OBC. So likewise, this policy has also come there in the election at the time of this election. So how many seats should be for the ladies? Ladies, there is no fix for the ladies. But when just we are talking about this Panchayati Raj system, in Panchayati Raj system also, Panchayat level, there is the election. At that time, in the Panchayat election or Panchayati Raj system, at the time of this election of this Panchayat, there is the reservation for the male and female, 50%. 50% male, 50% female. So, this is first time, and at only one place this reservation for the female has come. Here STSC, there is this for MPs, but here no reservations. Reservations may be for this, but ladies are also there in Panchayati Raj system. The seats are reserved for the females. Reserved constituencies, voters. Voters are very important. You are contesting the election. Who will decide you whether you are right or wrong? Voters will. The voters of your area, the voters of your area will decide whether you are just supposed to win, you should stay there or not, you will win or not. They will cast the vote for you, and who will get the maximum numbers of these votes, they will be, or that will be, or she will be declared the MP. This nomination of the candidates, when the election will be announced, then one system is there, nomination. You will have to enroll yourself. You will have to enroll yourself before the election commission's office, and that office will, commission office will check your papers whether you are eligible or not, and when the election commission will give the permission to contest, then you can contest only. So this is the nomination of the candidates. This campaign, what is this campaign? We are telling prachar, just we are calling them campaign. We try to convince the voters that I am the best, I will be the best candidate for you, so please try to cast for me. So this is the campaigning. This is when the election will be declared. There is a timing for 15 days or 20 days. Just you can campaign, you can convince the voters to cast in your favor. Okay. What makes election in India democratic? Yes, this is very important. Value of the vote. Value of vote. You know the value of the vote. What is that? Value of the vote is only one. In our country, the vote, value of the vote is one. So this is, we can say, the democratic. And what makes election in democratic? First, the value of the vote is one, and all the voters, who those are, either you are poor, someone is rich, I am old man, someone is very young, who those are 18 years and above, if just he has the permission to cast the vote, value will be same. Whether you are old or young, but you should be at least 18 years. And value of your vote will be same, so just we can say this demoCratic. Independent elections. Independent elections means there is separate the commission, elections commission, election commissioner for this, and nobody can suppress you. No, you cannot cast the vote. System is there. So you are, suppose you are quite independent to cast the vote for anyone. Nobody can suppress you, nobody can mobilize you. No, I am giving such and such, just take them this money, this much money, and cast the vote for me. Popular participation. This, at the last, the election, when it will take or it will be over, there will be the counting. This counting is also essential. Counting. Otherwise, how you will come to know who has got how much? So, this popular participation. So, no, just you cannot check anyone, you cannot cast the vote. And percentage are day by day increasing there here in the country. You are listening, oh, it is 60% is 75% likewise, or 50% or 40%, but it is day by day increasing. Independent election, popular in participation. Challenge to free and fair elections. Okay, just again, just we'll see this later on, future. Okay, sir.